Hi all you beautiful souls, this is Rishvika and welcome to Minding Ways. So before we start, if you're new here, welcome to our YouTube family. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button. Why? Because it's free. I've been in PG, hostel, so I have a clear picture of the things that you must have when you live in hostel, especially if it's your first time. And I think ये वीडियो काफी लंबा होने वाला है and I'm super excited for this video. I don't know why, but I'm really excited. So without any long intro, let's just dive into the video. Now this thing, it's very important. It's an electric kettle. You must have an electric kettle if you want to survive your hostel life comfortably. अगर चाय बनानी है, मैगी बनानी है, चाय गरम करना है, पानी गरम करना है, you will be needing an electric kettle. So electric kettle is a must have. और ये सब तो बात की बात. If you are really lazy to wake up on time and enjoy the facility of hot water जो आपके bathroom taps में आएंगे, पानी आएगा. पानी आता है कि आती है?
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं ये?
So if you're so lazy to wake up on time and enjoy the facility of hot water, you have your electric kettle. That's your savior. आप बार-बार उसमें पानी गर्म करिए और बार-बार आप बकेट में भरिए and please बकेट को न्यूज़पेपर से कवर कर दीजिए उतनी देर के लिए, नहीं तो आपका पानी इवेंचुअली ठंडा ही हो जाएगा जब तक नहाने का टाइम आएगा. So you can use electric kettle for your bath. Who would have thought that? And also इसमें आप एक ये चीज़ याद रखिए, अगर आप ऐसे नहाने के लिए आप केटल में पानी गर्म कर रहे हैं बार बार आप क्लास के लिए लेट हो सकते हैं, तो उस चीज़ को ध्यान में रखें. Second, extra dishes. I'm not saying simply dishes, but extra dishes. Not one spoon or one plate, but 2 spoons, 2 plates, or 3 spoons, 3 plates. Because they will be misplaced. आप एक प्लेट एक स्पून लेकर जाएंगे, उसके बाद कभी वो किसी और के रूम में होगा, कभी वो मेस में होगा, and it happens so many times that you take your plate or spoon to mess, वहाँ पे भूल जाते हैं, and the next time वहाँ से आप अपनी ही प्लेट लाने में ऐसा फील करते हैं कि आप चोर हैं. So इसलिए उसकी नौबत ही ना आने दे. You should have 2 or 3 spoons and plates with you. Third, mugs. I'm not saying mug, but mugs. पीने वाले. And especially if you're a chai lover like me, एक मग से नहीं होगा, 2-3, you have to have 2 or 3 mugs. What happens is sometimes you have a cup of chai, you go somewhere else and you just forget to wash that. So for the next time you can't miss your chai, you will be needing a cup. So you must have a backup of all these things, of dishes, of mugs, cups, everything. You should have a backup. Because there are days when you don't wash them. Yes, I know some of you are like, ऐसे कौन करता है, बर्तन कौन नहीं धोता? But when you live in a hostel, you discover new sides of yourself that you never knew existed, and they might be very shocking. Third, iron. I know some hostels do provide the facility of laundry and stuff like that, but for those days when you just shove your clothes into the cupboard, आपको iron चाहिए for that last 2 minutes ironing. So fourth is a hot water bag. Now there are 2 types of water bags. I hope some of you might be knowing it, but some of you don't. So I'll just tell about both of them. So one is this basic one, basic water bag, basic hot water bag. And the other one is that electric water bag. And that other one has some gel in it, and when you charge it, it becomes hot. So now both have some perks and cons. So the perk of this hot water bag is that it remains hot for a longer time period, but the con is that you have to refill it again and again, which means you have to boil the water, then pour it into this water bag, and then again before the next time you use, you have to empty it. So yeah, it's too much of work for some people. And for the other one, the electric hot water bag, the perk is that you don't have to do so much of taam-jam. You can just charge it and it becomes hot. But the con is that it doesn't remain hot for a longer time period. Okay, now the question is, which one do I use? I use both. Because for those lazy days, I have that electric hot water bag. And for those chilly winter nights, I use this. Now, fifth is clothing clips. And that is something you really need, and that is also something you never will have enough. So these are some things that you really need in extra. Again, I'm using the same term, extra. You need to have extra of everything, because eventually आपकी सारी चीजें चोरी तो नहीं कह सकते, लेकिन गुम हो सकती हैं हॉस्टल में, क्योंकि आपकी क्लिप्स आप यूज तो करेंगे, लेकिन जब आप अगली बार आएंगे वो क्लिप्स गायब हो चुकी होंगी, लाइक एज इन थिन एयर गायब हो चुकी होंगी वो। तो आपके क्लिप्स कभी भी ज्यादा नहीं होंगी, हमेशा शॉर्टेज रहेगी, कितने भी आप खरीद कर आओ हमेशा शॉर्टेज रहेगी। दैट्स हाउ हॉस्टल इज, एंड दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ हॉस्टल। नाउ सिक्स्थ इज दिस फर्स्ट एड किट और पाउच, एंड ऑब्वियसली इसमें मेडिसिन, पेन किलर्स, बैंडेड्स, ऑल योर बेसिक मेडिसिन, उन्हें रखना मत भूलना। पता चले जोश में you've got your first aid pouch or kit, but you forgot to keep the medicines in it. So please, medicines रखनी भी ध्यान रखिएगा, and it's really important, because you will have headache, you will have body pain at times, so you must have this. And also there will be your clumsy friend जिसके कभी कहीं चोट लगेगी, कभी कहीं चोट लगेगी, and उसके लिए बैंडेड चाहिए होगा. So the next must have is a toiletry bag or basket. So basically I bought this pouch, this toiletry pouch, but then eventually I ended up using this basket, and इसका ये एक handle टूट गया. So yes, अभी it's empty. It's empty. Okay, so because it was more comfortable for me, but you suit for yourself which one you think will be comfortable for you, but you should definitely have this for your shampoo, body wash, conditioner. It will keep your stuff organized, so you should definitely have this. Now, do I have to say mask, which is very important कि आपको याद रहेगा mask रखना। I mean, बाहर मास्क के बगैर कौन जाएगा? It's very important. You should have a mask, and also with the mask, please don't forget to carry a mask case, क्योंकि वो आपका घर नहीं है। मम्मी मास्क है, मम्मा मास्क गुम गया। There's no one to handle all your tantrums because of the things that आप ही ने घुमाई हैं. So you have to keep your mask safe as well, so they can keep you safe. So you should have a mask case. लेकिन अगर आप mask case भी घुमा देते हैं, next is emergency light or torch. Okay, now again some hostels do provide the facility of table lamps, पर अगर light चली जाएगी फिर आप क्या करोगे? So try using, if you are purchasing a lamp, then try कि वो chargeable हो, and it shouldn't have a plug with it, ताकि अगर light ना हो, even then you can use it. So you should have an emergency light or a torch with you, or a study lamp. Emergency light, torch, study lamp, whatever, what is feasible for you. It's basically for reading purposes, so I don't think torch will be good enough. You should have a chargeable lamp. And now 10th is wall hangers. ये बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, and it is something जो हम लोगों को याद नहीं रहती है, क्योंकि इतनी छोटी सी चीज़ें नहीं याद रहती है, but it's so important. Wall hangers or those hooks which you just paste on the wall. So sometimes you don't have enough space in your cupboard, sometimes you have to use it for your damp towel, your night dress, so it has so many purposes. So you should definitely have this. And the list was so long, so I decided to divide it into part 1 and part 2. So this was part 1, and still there are so many products left which I will include in my second video, and it's nothing like these products are more important than those which I will include in the other video. All the products that I talked about and I will be talking about in my other video are equally important. It was just that the list was quite lengthy, so that's why I decided to split it into 2 videos. So yeah, that was it for today's video. So I hope I was of some help to you guys, and if you liked the video, do share it with your friends and family, because who knows, it may really be helpful for them. See you next time. Till then, stay blessed, stay happy.